everyone, Chef Rylan here. With summer right around the corner, I decided that right now would be a great time to show you how to make some strawberry lemonade. So the first thing we need to do is make our simple syrup for our lemonade, which is going to be the sweetener. So we're simply going to take 1 cup of plain granulated sugar, and then 1 cup of water. And then we're going to put this on the stove over medium heat, and we're going to let it come to a simmer. And then we're gonna wait for all of the sugar in there to melt down and become one nice cohesive liquid. Next, we're gonna get our strawberries ready. So I'm using fresh strawberries, but you can always use frozen ones if you have. All you're going to do is just simply rough chop them up, and then we're going to put them into our blender to blend into a nice pulp. So I've put my chopped strawberries into my blending unit, and I've also added some of the simple syrup, so that way it makes blending a lot easier. So I'm just simply going to blend this up. I didn't put all of the simple syrup in, just enough to make blending easier. Next to our simple syrup, we're going to add 1/2 cup of lemon juice, a little bit more if you like it extra tart, and then we're going to combine all this together. And then we're going to add in our cooled simple syrup, and then we're going to combine this one more time. So we combine our strawberries and our simple syrup and our lemon juice. As you can see, it looks a lot paler. The strawberries have now been blended really thoroughly, but there's also air bubbles in there that are starting to rise to the top. Those air bubbles are mixed in with everything, and so it looks a little pale pink. Don't worry, as time goes on, it'll settle and the air bubbles will rise to the top. And then finally, our last step, we're just simply going to take our strawberry mixture and then add some water to it. And voila, you have your very own homemade strawberry lemonade. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.